So there has been a lot of confusion about dito sa bagong effect na law. It's the CIMEPA law or the Capital Markets Efficiency Promotions Act. Particularly about sa 20% final withholding tax na pinapataw sa mga savings or deposits natin. Just to be clear, yung 20% final withholding tax has been around since 1998. So, kung nagsisave ka sa bank dati pa man, for example, meron kang savings account or payroll account, dati pa man din, before pa napasa itong batas na 'to, taxable ka na ng 20%. So what has changed? Yung apektado lang ng 20% final withholding tax are those under long-term deposits. For example, 5 years more yung lock-in period mo at the very least. So dun kinakarga yung mga 20% final withholding tax. Kasi previously, zero tax yung mga yan. Yung taxable lang are yung mga nasa short-term deposits. Another confusion ng mga tao is that akala nila is yung 20% is ipapataw against doon sa perang nilagay mo sa bank. For example, akala nila kapag ka naglagay sila ng 1,000 pesos sa bank, automatic, kakalagay pa lang nila, nabawasan na kagad ng 20%, which is actually incorrect. And that's a fake news that has been spreading around sa social media. Let me correct that. Kasi, maling-mali yan. Ganito yung nangyari dyan actually. Yung tinatax ng 20% final withholding tax is not the actual money, let's use the word capital, na nilalagay mo sa bank. Instead, yung tinatax is yung interest o yung kita o yung kinubo ng pera mo. As in this case, assuming na 10% yung interest rate ng bank, pag ako naglagay ako ng 1,000 pesos sa bank, tutubo yan ng 10%, which is 100 pesos. So yung pera ko, from 1,000, magiging 1,100. Alin yung itatax dyan? Yung itatax dyan is itong 100 kasi ito yung tubo ito yung kinita. Ito yung babawasan ng 20% under the CIMEPA law. So kakaltasan natin yung interest mo ng 20%. That means from 100 pesos, yung tinubo ng pera mo na 1,000 is magiging 80 pesos na lang. So you see, naandyan pa rin yung 1,000 pesos mo, yung binawasan ng 20% is yung tubo na 100. Binawasan ng 20%, so instead yung tubo mo is 100 pesos, 80 pesos na lang. Ito na yung final amount ng pera mo sa bank after the 20% final withholding tax was deducted by the government. Take it this way, yung interest ng pera mo, pinagkakainteresan ng gobyerno. That's how Sinepa law works.